Hey everybody, Brandon Satcham here, and I'm actually here with Robert Telerik. Robert, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
I'm Robert Shoemate. I'm the mobile testing lead at Telerik. I'm currently working on mobile testing software for iOS.
So mobile testing for iOS, this is really interesting. So what exactly, how does this tool work?
So our goal with this tool, and a lot of the tools we've been seeing in the market lately are all image-based testing, and they require you to actually jailbreak your device. So what I wanted to do was create a testing solution that allowed you to not have to jailbreak your device, and where you could do all of the testing on the device without having to be constantly attached to a computer.
So this is something that you actually download and install on your in the simulator or on your own device?
Correct, yeah.
Right, so how does somebody go and get that?
So it's going to be available on our website starting this Thursday, March 20th.
I think it's the 15th.
March 15th.
Yeah.
This Thursday, March 15th, and they're going to be able to go download it. It's going to include the Test Studio application. It's going to include our custom plugin that you use to make your applications testable. And then we also have a testing browser that allows you to do mobile tests. And then finally a demo application that just kind of shows you an example of an application that you can get started testing right away.
Great. So if it's an existing Test Studio customer, it's free. What about for those that aren't Test Studio?
The beta is actually going to be free for everyone to try.
Oh, great. Okay, so you can go to the website, get the beta. If you've got an Apple developer account, you can load that on your device, load it in the emulator. Great.
Yep.
So you also mentioned mobile web. So from a Kendo UI perspective, what does this mean to me as a mobile web developer?
So if you're developing a Kendo UI application, or if you're just developing a mobile website in general, you'll actually be able to use our custom mobile browser that we wrote to automate your website. So you can record steps of going through your website, doing things on the site, and then later as your developer goes through iterations of the website, updating things on the back end or maybe certain things in the UI, you can go back and have your QA team play those tests back, and you can see if they pass or not, get exact results.
It's awesome. So you can catch any regressions that are introduced even in mobile web applications.
Exactly.
That's pretty fantastic stuff. So,
and on top of that, the mobile support is actually integrated into UIKit as well. So if you have a UIKit application, and let's say your application is based on PhoneGap, which actually uses the browser control for most of the application,
right,
and part of it's UIKit, so you can actually record on both of those at the same time. It's kind of a seamless integration between HTML, the web control, and UIKit. And then once you play it back, and you can see where it failed in HTML or if it failed in UIKit.
Wow, so native, web, and even those PhoneGap-based applications.
Exactly.
That's pretty fantastic. Robert, thanks very much for your time. Really appreciate it. All right, thanks.